Best strategies dealing dust in your home. Welcome to our Fast Clean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. In today's video, we would like to share with you the best strategies dealing dust in your home. Dust accumulates from tiny solid particles, bits of cloth fibers, hair, pet dander, dirt, dead skin cells, and many, many more. Allowing that to build up can cause severe allergic reactions, so it is wise to keep it in check, possibly by hiring a cleaning company. London. If you are more of a DIY type of person, then you will want to find out the most effective methods for cleaning and maintaining dust at your home within acceptable levels. While there is no way to guarantee 100% dust removal, you can at least do your best to keep it under control. Here are a few approved methods that work towards achieving this goal. Air filtration. There are a few ways you can make air filtration more effective. One is to change the air filters of your central heating or cooling system, which can help reduce airborne debris by a great deal. Standard air filters don't cut it anymore. You should instead use a paper or even a pleated paper filter to ensure most dust particles don't bust out of the filters. It is important to replace disposable filters at least once every 3 months. An air purifier is also a great option for reducing dust at your home. It is an excellent tool in case you have allergies and you wish to reduce the amount of dust in a single room. Seal cracks. Did you know that a large portion of solid particles enters your home from outside? No cleaning service can protect you from that unless you take steps to seal cracks around windows and door frames. Inspect your fireplace if you have one, to see if there is an opening. A chimney sweep may be necessary. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new Fast Clean videos. Clean up dust regularly. Cleaning remains the most effective method for dealing with dust. For this reason, you can acquire a vacuum cleaner with a HEPA filter and use it twice a week to cut down on the dust buildup. Sweeping and mopping also help in reducing the need to clean up for extended periods. Use bamboo fiber cloths for dusting, to collect the dust off countertops and furniture. Wet the bamboo fiber towel or cloth a little, because that tends to improve its ability to collect dust particles. Remember to wash the clothes as soon as you finish dusting to have them clean from everything they collected. Don't forget that dust accumulates on the walls, so you will need to perform a deep clean every 6 months. Clear clutter away. Decorative items don't help in reducing dust. On the contrary, they increase it. Reduce the amount of clutter to a minimum and your rooms will be clean from dust. Be mindful of the textiles you use around your home. The fewer such items, the less dust you will have to deal with. Ditch your carpeting. In most homes, the carpet is by far the biggest dust reservoir. It's a huge source of fibers and absorbs dust like a giant sponge. Even the padding underneath holds dust, which goes airborne with each footstep. Although ripping out your wall-to-wall carpet may sound radical, it's the best thing you can do if you suffer from serious allergies. For how to remove dust from the air, the best thing you can do is replace carpeting with hard floorings like laminate, wood or tile, and wet mop it regularly with a bamboo fiber cloth instead of sweeping. Sweeping is more likely to stir up dust than to remove it. These strategies are all viable when it comes to reducing dust. Every cleaning company in London will concur that they work and contribute to less dust in every home. Try to call 020-8884-9149 if you want to talk about any of this information. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out the top 5 tips to achieve a clean and green office. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Fast Clean works in partnership with Eka Bravo. Together we want to change the world. Check our descriptions below to see our favorite products and use a special code for a 10% discount when you order via our channel.